CabinetM's new data map functionality makes it easy to create and maintain a data map for every integration in your marketing technology stack. You can find data maps in the Integrations annotation screen for each product in your stack. Click on Add Data Map. Then start by giving it a name. Once you give it a name and fill out the rest of the details, you want to make sure you click Save. Then, click on Column Settings to customize your column drop-down menu. You only have to do this the first time you create a data map. Any changes you make to column settings will be reflected in all data maps. Now, start adding to your data map. Once you save your data map, your map will reorganize, showing the object fields in alphabetical order. Now, you can view your data maps in two ways. One way is from inside your stack annotations. Or you can simply view your data map from inside of Stack Maps, CabinetM's visualization and reporting software. You can also share your data map in many ways. You can share the data map via a custom URL, you can download the data map as an Excel spreadsheet, or you can share it along with your other stack details by sharing your stack. As always, please reach out with any questions or feedback that you have related to our data map feature.